Would you believe some puppies cost more than a college degree? These ultra-luxury dog breeds come with price tags that'll make your jaw drop. At number 5, the elegant Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Royalty comes at $12,000. Breaking into the top 3, the majestic Tibetan Mastiff, once sold for $15,000. And the number 1 most expensive? The Samoyed, with champion bloodlines reaching $25,000. That fluffy white coat is literally worth its weight in gold. Which of these luxury pups would you splurge on? Drop a pop rinse in the comments. For more jaw-dropping pet facts, tap to watch our next video.